This is a step-by-step guide on how to use findmentalhealthnowky.org, a treatment locator tool to help find yourself, a loved one, or a patient, a mental health facility that best suits you or them. Once you are on the homepage, answer the optional questions on the search form. The first question is, who needs help? It can be you, a family member, a friend, or a patient. Next, choose gender and enter the city, country, and zip code of where you would like to receive treatment. There is also a checkbox you can check off if you have been diagnosed with a substance use disorder. This will show you results of mental health facilities that also treat substance use disorders. Then, you will need to pick the type of treatment facility you prefer, such as inpatient, outpatient, intensive outpatient, telehealth, and crisis stabilization. The next field you would fill out is payment types. You can choose from options like Medicaid, Medicare, payment plans, private insurance, and self-pay. If you do not have all the information, that is okay. You will still get a list of mental health facilities based on the optional questions you answered. When you are ready, click the search button. This will bring you to your search results page. You can narrow down your results even more by clicking through over 60 additional filter options that can be found on the left side of the page. For example, when you click Population Served, you can narrow your search even more by indicating if you or the person you are searching for are an adult, teen, child, pregnant or postpartum, deaf or hard of hearing, and even more. Try clicking the Additional Services tab. Here, you can search for a facility that also offers services for peer support, interpreting services, and a lot more. On the right side are the facility profile cards that give you a general overview of your results. You'll see the names of the mental health facilities nearest to your search location, a brief description of each facility, whether they're accepting new clients, and more. For details on a specific facility, click the name of the facility at the top of the facility profile card. While you're on the page, be sure to look out for the green dots. These dots will tell you if there are current openings and what kind of treatment is available. If you see a red dot with a white X in it, that means they are not accepting new patients for the type of treatment. Along with providing a list of treatment facilities, the website also has a community resource section to help you find community resources closest to you that you may not have been aware of before. Once you click the Community Resources tab, you'll be brought to a search engine that will require you to enter the zip code for the area you are looking for resources in. Once you have entered the zip code and click Search, the screen will display the results for all community resources available near you. Once on the results page, you will see the profiles cards for each of the resources, similarly to the treatment facilities. The facility profile cards consist of a brief description of the resources, phone number, location, website, URL, types of services, the resource providers, and the resource audience type. You can filter down your search results by going to the category section on the left-hand side of the page. Here you will get the option to choose what type of resource you are looking for, such as basic needs, assisted living, government, physical health service, domestic intrapersonal violence services, and employment and education services. Once you have clicked the resources category you're looking for, you can filter down your search results even more. At the top right of the page, you will find a drop-down box labeled Topic. You can click on that. This will show a list of resource topics based on the category you have selected. Each category has a separate set of topics you can choose from. Right next to the topic drop-down box is a drop-down box labeled Population. Here you can click on the specific type of population you are looking for and be shown only the resources that serve that population. With findmentalhealthnowky.org, finding mental health facilities currently accepting new patients and finding helpful community resources close to you has never been quicker.